Welcome at this new tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to play Industry Baby by Lil Nas X and Jack Harlow. This riff is very easy to play on guitar, also for beginners. And it sounds like this. First I'm going to teach you how to play the main riff, and after I'm going to teach you how to play the intro, because the intro is a little bit more difficult. You can play this riff only with one finger if you like to, but it sounds nicer if you play with more fingers. You have to place your capo on the first fret. You have to start with the second fret on the G string, then the open G string, so release the finger, and then the third fret on the D string. And it sounds like this. And then you have to play the open G string, the third fret on the D string again, and then the second fret on the D string. So the first two bars sounds like this. 2, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2. And then you have to play the third fret on the D string, the second fret on the D string, and the open D string. So 3, 2, open. So 2, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, and the 3, 2 open once again, and the 2, open 3, 2, and the 3, 2 open. Then you have to play the pickup bar before the first beat, and it sounds like this. The open 2, 3, and after this pickup bar you have to play the second fret on the G string, so open 2, 3, 2. So we start at the pickup bar and then we continue to play the whole riff. 3, 4 and open 2, 3, 2, open 3, 2, and 3, 2 open. And open 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, and open 3, 2, and 3, 2 open 2, 3. And you can play this riff during the whole song. And now I'm going to teach you how to play the intro riff on the guitar. You start with the open D string and you have to play this rhythm. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. And you have to play this for one bar, and in the second bar we're going to add a note, and that's the second fret on the G string, and we have to play those notes simultaneously. So the first bar only the open D string, but you can leave your finger here, but don't pick the string. D, 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 add the note, and then we're going to add another note, which is the third fret on the B string, and then you have to play the first beat and let them ring for 4 beats. So only one note, add the note, add the last note, and let it ring. 2, 3. Then you have to play the riff. So I hope that I helped you to play this song on guitar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And I hope to see you in one of my next videos.